Alright, YouTubers, we got the Axial Yeti XL all blacked out. The carbon fiber panels from Extreme Racing came in. And yeah, they're nice. I didn't do crazy on the stickers, but does the front hood, that little piece down there in the bumper, and the roof. And then that's it. Kind of makes it look like a Mad Max Doom buggy or some shit. So yeah, and then my aluminum hubs came in, so I gotta flip them out. T-bone bumper, they did email me. I gotta send it back though, which sucks, but at least they're honoring it. And then for this body, it has this stupid hinge system. I wanted to try to figure something out, and this is what I got so far. So instead of the clips on the front, I put these Proline thumb screws on there, and then on the back, right here, two big old body clips that take that out, and then should come right off. That's it. Yeah, you had to do a little modding to the little things, but I'm gonna make them metal. But I just wanted to see how it worked out with this. So then put it down so you do it. So yeah, you just line it up. It snaps down. And then they lock in place and you're good. Put your thumb things and you're done. Because even to get the batteries in, since this pumpkin has this extra piece on the top, when this comes up on the stock, you can raise it up pretty far, but this hits here, so it hardly goes up, and then it's even a pain in the ass to get the batteries in, so I had to do something. So I'm going to keep it like that for now. If them plastic things break, I'm going to just do it out of like a metal U, like aluminum thing that holds down wires or what, or something like that, you know. But other than that, I like it. I like it all blacked out. Looks badass. I didn't get crazy on the stickers neither. So, alright, I know you guys are tired of hearing about this Yeti. You want to see it get out and get all messed up, but you know, I want to get my skid plate in. No use trashing it. For I got plenty other vehicles to trash in the meantime, but at least my panels came in, so these are my bashing panels. I was gonna get the another roll cage and just flip-flop it, but I didn't realize the roll cages, they want so much money for it because they sell it in the pieces. They don't sell like just the whole assembly, you know. So I ain't spending freaking $100 on a plastic roll cage. I'll just take out the screws and flip it out when I want. So other than that, it's badass, dude. I took it for a little cruise, just to see if that motor cogs out when I go real low, and it's nice, man. That Castle motor and Mamba Monster, I had it on as low as I can go, and it's just crawling around, not cogging at all. But in the meantime, I do have a hobby wing. I think it's a Max 8 2000 kb or something. I don't know. I have to look at it. And on the low C Ray, that's ordered. I wanted to try to keep the build under $4.99. I think it was $4.99 because the kit's $2.99 or $4.59. Whatever the stock RTR is. Well, that's not happening because I just went and I was like, hell with it, I'm gonna go full tilt on that one too. I got like, I think it was like $200 in hot racing parts, just in the upgrade parts for it. So I'm at my $499, and you know, motor ESC. I'm thinking I might get Rich from RC Network. He built one, and I forget what motor it was. It was a censored Hobby Wing 36 something, you know what I mean? But it was it's a censored because I was looking online, and that thing is supposed to be a basher. So I figured, well, what the hell? I'll just go and bulletproof that and beat the crap out of it. You know what I mean? So, alright, YouTubers, let you guys go. Yeah, our weather's getting better, but then we went back down to 17 degrees. But, it is what it is. It gives me time to build stuff, you know what I mean? That's a more, it's an enjoyment for me anyhow, just tinkering around and building these things. They're badass, and then you get out there and destroy them, so it might as well look good as long as it can, you know? Alright, YouTubers, I'm out.